Have you ever heard that creatine is just a shortcut for bodybuilders? Or that it's only for those wanting to bulk up like the Hulk? Or maybe you've been told that creatine is harmful to your kidneys, or that it's a kind of steroid. Stick with us till the very end to learn all about it. What is creatine, after all? It is a natural substance that's key to giving our muscles energy, especially during quick, intense activities. Here's how it works. Our body makes creatine from 3 amino acids, and once made, it's sent off to our muscles, where the magic happens. In our muscles, creatine's main job is to help make a molecule called ATP, which is like an energy snack for our muscles. When we do something strenuous like lifting weights or sprinting, our muscles munch on ATP for instant energy. But they run out of it pretty fast. Here's where creatine shines. It quickly helps make more ATP, letting us push a bit harder and longer. So without adequate creatine, your peak performance in the gym might just be a dream. And how do we get creatine? It's natural, and we get some creatine from foods like red meat and fish, but it's not a lot. That's why it is recommended to supplement, especially if you exercise regularly. And it's really popular among athletes and gym goers who want to enhance performance, increase strength, and build muscle. Is it safe? It's one of the most researched supplements out there and has a strong safety record, so the answer is yes. And there is no scientific evidences it can be harmful for the kidneys, and creatine is no steroids, it's a myth. How much should you take it? Before we reveal it, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It helps us to grow. Coming back to the amount. Generally, around 3 to 5 grams daily. Remember, creatine isn't a magic pill. It works best when combined with regular exercise and a healthy diet. Consider watching our videos about food that supports muscle growth. We will leave the link in the description. We've listed some top quality creatine supplements in the description below, perfect for those looking to add a little extra oomph to their workouts. Thanks for tuning in to Wellness in Wonderland. See you next time.